When everything is white.
Thanks so much for stopping by for the Countdown to Christmas 2023 with the Price is Pearl Life. That's me, Katrena. Remember, videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more, sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. And if you're new here, well, go ahead and subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Price is Pearl Life. Well, in today's video, it's my 2023 Christmas beverage bar. Let's get it. Let's go.
Compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us from big to small. Laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
I found these towels at the end of the season last year for 90% off, and they became my inspiration for Christmas 2023. I fell in love with the cream, the black, and the gold. So welcome back to all of my returning subscribers, and one big hug from me to you. And to all of my new or recent subscribers, welcome to my Price is Pearl Life family. And if this is your first time or third time stopping by and you're not a family member yet, well, what are you waiting on, child? Come on and join my Price is Pearl family. Just make sure you you subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice. appreciate you stopping by the Johnson Ranch one more time to see what I'm doing here during my countdown to Christmas 2023. I hope that you are inspired and motivated to make your home cozy, comfortable, and stylish for this holiday season. If so, make sure you left that big thumbs up and a kind comment below. And make sure to check out the Countdown to Christmas full playlist on today. And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.